This is Gagas Media. Good day everyone. Today we're going to be designing a certificate of marriage using Corel. Someone requested for it, so I decided to do a video about it. Please, if you're new to the channel, do wait to subscribe and then turn on your notifications so you can receive more videos. So let's run now back to our screen. So firstly, you have to select the square tool and then you double click on it to the outline and then double click on the outline. We're going to make the outline color deep yellow and then it's going to be on size 2. And then you click on OK and then we come to click on the square tool again. Then we'll make a square of this size and then we're going to click on the ellipse tool and make an ellipse of this size too. We're making 3 ellipses and 3 square. We are using to get our shape, so we're going to be adjusting it until the ellipse covers some parts of the square. Alright, we adjust the side too. Alright, now you hold your shift while you click on the other image on the square and then you click on back minus front. That will enable you to cut off the part that has the ellipse and give it that shape. Now we're going to make another of such kind too. Click on your square and then draw out your square and then click on the ellipse now. And now we're going to be drawing it out too. But now we are looking for another kind of shape, so we have to twist this ellipse. We just double click in the center and then you go to the edge and now turn it. Just as simple as that. And then we're going to adjust it too. So you drag until it covers the end of it. And now we're going to be covering the other part too, because of the shape we are looking for. And you can hold your shift. Okay, now let's cover it. Okay, it's perfect now. So you hold your shift and click on the square image tool, click on your pick tool and then back minus front. We've gotten the second shape. Now it's remaining the last shape. Square tool again and then you draw down your square and then you click on your ellipse and then you draw it down. Now we're giving it another kind of shape. Now I'm going to twist it to click on the middle and then you bend. You can turn it and then click on the middle. You're going to restore it back to the former and then you draw out. Alright, and then you hold your shift and click on the square image. Now you've selected it too and you click on the pick tool and then back minus front again. Alright, so we are done with what we want. So let's put it into the image now. Now put the first one into it. Make sure it works with the line. And then want to drag it up a little so you can come up in height as against the other one. Because we're going to be making 2 of them there. I'm just going to come off height. Yeah. Alright, it's okay like this. And then we'll click on the other one. We'll bring it out now. And put it now. But this one we're not dragging it to be of same height. We're just leaving it like this. Now we're just going to adjust the side. Just the 2 sides so that it can come out big. And then we click on this one and bring it into it. Now put it inside of it. And then we'll reduce it so that it can go back. Alright. So what we do is we'll click on any of the image now, the first one, and we're adding a color, deep blue color. We're going to click on the outline. We'll select deep yellow for the outline color. And then the size, we'll make it 50. Then we'll click on the other and we do same. Now let's put the outline at 50. And then deep yellow should be the color now. Yes. And then click on OK. And we're going to add the color deep blue. Now it's remaining the last one. We'll add the deep blue and then add outline to it. It's still going to be 50 so everything can be uniform. And then we add the deep yellow. Alright. Then you click rotate and then OK. I'm going to bring it onto front of page. Just right click and then you go to order and set left front of page. Alright, so now I'm going to paste. I've already typed it. I don't want this video to be long, so I've already typed what I want to paste. So you just probably type it, take time to type yours. So I've typed what I want to display in it, and the arrangement too shouldn't take you time too. It's just as normal. You should have watched the introduction to Corel and know how to add all this text to it. Just basically typing, and then you use your font. The font I'm going to be using here is Artbrush, just to give it that font look, and then making it 100. Then I'll raise it up to where I want it to be. But I'm going to reduce the size now to 72. So it doesn't look big as the name of the church. And then I'm going to click my pen to, and I'm going to add a line to it. Just hold your shift to get a straight line, and then you click and you press the enter key. I click on the outline. I'm going to make it bold. So let's make it around 10. Alright, and then we're adding the color, deep yellow color for it. You should learn how to use uniform color. You shouldn't be more of different colors. You don't know how to use probably 2-3 colors in making of your design. It's not about running like 8 colors for one particular designs. Everything should be uniform. And then you click on your, I'm just trying to edit it so you can actually do all of these things by yourself. I'm just don't want you to waste time on this particular video. So, and then you click on the text, and then we are adding a color to it now. So we add the deep yellow color to it. Alright. So now I'm going to be pasting the other stuff, the certify, and I'm just going to skip it. Okay, we have it here now. So you just have to draw. I've showed you how to use your pen tool to draw lines. So you just have to draw those are the basic things you'll be doing. Dated this, you should bold it, and then you add a shorter line. Those are the other things. They just few steps. The pastor, pastor in charge now, you have to align it. And then just to add some features to it, you can just click on the pen tool and then draw a place for signatory. And then let's do another one. Alright, this one is okay. So let's use our pick tool to drag it now to where we want it to be. Just right click on the pastor in charge because it's looking like it's cutting off, and click on order and put it to front of page. Alright, the pastor in charge, I don't want it to be bold. Let's remove this boldness and then put it on 60. Let's put it on 60. This text has to be 60. We adjust it to the middle of the text. You just have to shift, make sure everything is at the center of it. And you have to get an image of a ring from Google. You can just tap it on Google. Different image will come out of rings. Right click on order and then back of page. And then you just drag it inside of the image. Make sure the image is in PNG format. Then you just drag it inside of it just to add some style to it. And then you click on transparency too, and then you have to reduce the transparency of this particular ring. And then you're not removing any view of it totally, just to reduce the opacity. And then now we can drag it down. This we are done with the certificate of marriage. This is just the basic way of doing it. Just find a way of tweaking all of these things to what you want. So this is the final thing we have. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was helpful. Please do drop comments or questions if you have any, so we can put you through. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay safe.